So what makes execution of waste collection such a challenge for organizations today?
Organizations have been doing this for years, and the knowledge they have, it's all in the people's head. People have been doing this and they build experience, and with that they can execute the routes. But it's a complex puzzle. Things will change, and normally the flexibility is in the people's mind. They really need to change things if circumstances arise.
How does Dual help in these cases?
Well, what you see is that in the past, people have tried to record what they were doing. They were using Excel or paper maps and draw up the routes. They were saying, okay, on the map, here you go to the left, here you go to the right, and then they could share their knowledge with others. Only the maintenance of such information is very time consuming, and most of the time it's not done. So what will Joule add to that? We can digitalize all that information. We can make up a map where we can put in the information of the experienced driver, and from that they can execute it on their tablets, which is much easier. And the software is not intrusive. It's not going to tell you exactly what to do, but it's going to help you. And that is really helping the execution improve.